Welcome to a place where real traffic stories are shared. Just one moment of distraction can leave a lasting lesson. Here we look back to understand and to drive more carefully every day. She's got a sharp eye and notices everything. Looks like this guy's been watching too many action flicks, do something wild and just drive off like it's nothing. Some dangerous driving behavior should lead to a suspended license, making public transportation the only option. People who drive unsafely shouldn't be allowed behind the wheel. The wheel, thank God. And if you don't believe in luck, this video might just change. Your mind, this test really shows that the single bar gate holds up great. Papa, the driver, swerved to avoid a pedestrian, causing the car to hit a light pole and stand upright. The vehicle was heavily damaged, but thankfully everyone inside walked away. Unharmed. Looks like this five-seater lost interest in staying on the road. It jumped the curb, took down a tree, and flipped on its side like it just wanted to call it a day. The luck gods definitely had to pull some overtime to save this guy. Not paying attention when pulling out from a side street or alley is one of the most common causes of accidents. Heat, stay alert, keep a safe distance, and never assume. The road ahead is clear. A single moment of attention could save your life and the lives of those around you driving 120 to 200 km/h in the rain. Isn't brave, it's reckless signs that say, we're 80 in the rain, aren't there? For fun, ignoring warnings or common sense puts both your life and your vehicle at serious risk. Whether you're the driver or someone standing nearby, always keep a safe distance and make sure to communicate clearly before the vehicle moves. Truck drivers should reduce speed when going uphill to avoid losing control and causing accidents.